Flashback.
This is Derrick, and this is his 2021 BMW X5 M50i.
End of flashback.
That's right, guys. Derrick is back with his 2021 BMW X5. It's a new year, he's got new mods, and it's time for some new wheels.
Let's go. What did I miss? What did I miss?
Bro, it's been a long time. How you doing?
I'm good, man.
It's good to see you, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you need someone a little more your height, so
That's right, guys. I'm here for this video. Now, Derrick.
What's good, man? How you doing?
I'm good. It's good to see you.
Sir.
Let everyone know what you've done to this car. What's new since we last had it on the channel?
Yeah, so I got the new front mount intakes, new laser headlight. Before I don't have a carbon fiber all around. Now I got it all around. Yeah, I got a tune, pushing 700 horsepower right now.
That's insane. That's more than a Murcielago. That's more than most supercars in this SUV. Now, the main reason he's come down is we had 24 inches on before, right?
Yep.
We're gonna drop that down to 22. It's more usable, especially in LA. The roads here, not the greatest. So we'll drop it down, but I think it's still gonna look amazing. And not to mention their brand new Azad wheels, the SLS 1s. It's really gonna show off those calipers. Now guys, as always, stay tuned because we've got some rollers at the end and I'm sure you're gonna wanna hear what that sounds like. It sounds amazing.
Sounds great, man.
All right, Derrick, from last time we met, what's going on with your career? Tell us a little update of what's going on. What are you doing with basketball and everything?
Yeah, so basically I went to Indonesia like a month ago.
Yeah.
I played for my national team in SEA Games, Southeast Asia. So I played against Philippines. I won bronze medal.
I watched some of your highlights on Instagram.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
I know, it's like when I was in Indonesia, it's like literally I was like feeling myself a little bit too.
All right.
Yeah.
And I'll see you. You're going hard over there.
Yes, sir.
I'm rooting for you.
Appreciate
AudioCityUSA is rooting for you.
Yes, sir.
Andy's rooting for you.
Yep.
Just a perspective of people to understand the height here.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay, I am
Get Rick.
Rick right here. So, I'm 6 foot with my shoes on right now. Andy's about 6'4".
6'4".
Yeah.
I'm 6'10". 6'10".
Bro, come on, bro. That's fucked up, man. Look at that shit, man. That's fucked up.
I normally feel tall working here.
Yeah.
I don't right now.
No, right now.
Here, bro. You stand next to him, bro. Let me do it.
are we doing this again for real?
Look at this guy 2 feet taller than me. It's hilarious, bro. Dude, how tall are you, bro?
I'm 5'7". No, yeah, dude, you're literally a foot and 3 inches.
Andy, stand in the middle.
You're lying, Gio.
Andy, stand in the middle.
What do you think I am, bro?
I think you're like 5.
Yes.
I'm 5'7", bro. With these shoes, 5'8", maybe.
Okay, yeah, bro.
All right, bro. Now let's get you good with some Azads.
Yes, sir.
Show us what we got, bro.
This is the 9-inch 22x9. Andy, why don't you take out the rear so you can see the difference?
Derrick, who recommended these wheels for you, bro?
This guy right here, my boy.
This guy right here, Rick.
Ain't gonna lie, yesterday, he's giving me right.
He knows what's up, bro. And Rick, I mean, you wanted these exact wheels on your personal car
I
as
did
well.
want these wheels on my car. The only issue is these are 22. The thing is, if I put 22s on my car, I'm gonna have to get a whole new tire setup. I mean, I got Pilot Sports on right now. They're fairly new, and because anyone who's a car person knows how expensive Pilot Sports are, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I think I'm gonna wait for a little bit. But beautiful wheels by Azad.
Dude, look at that.
So here we have the rear, and then
Oh,
Anthony
yeah.
over here has
You
the
can tell,
front.
bro.
See how much deeper that is?
I mean, look at the concave right here. This has got that deep concave for the
And it's
rear.
gonna
This
show
is a
off
much
those
more
head
flat
brakes.
profile. Dude, these are really sick wheels. Azad SLS 1.0.
And these are flow forms, so they're lighter than the regular cast. So
They're actually
yeah.
very light considering. Like, look at the tread on this. It's gonna be meaty, but they're super lightweight. Here's some education for you guys. The less unsprung mass you have, the better your performance. The heavier your wheels and tires are, the worse performance. Keep that in mind.
So what we're doing over here is Jose is taking off the tire from the old wheels so that we can take the sensors out. So we're just gonna throw them onto these wheels, put on some 22-inch tires, and then throw it onto the car. Bam. And out with the old wheels. So guys, this is what the original Azads look like that Derrick had on his X5. Do you like these more, or do you like the SLS 1.0 that we're putting on today? Personally, I think this is it. Last wheel. Popping the bead right there. And it's on the machine. We're gonna push the tire down so we can get the last sensor out of the wheel, and we can start mounting the brand new Azad wheels. Bam. Tires off. Bam. There it is. And this is what they look like right over here. Car is up. We are ready to take off the BMW wheels.
You guys want another fun fact? Today's video is full of fun facts. See the BMW laser? This technology is so advanced, they discontinued it. So now when you buy a new BMW, they have BMW LED, and they have those LED matrixy cool ones like what Audi has, but the lasers are discontinued because they're so powerful and so expensive.
Out with the old. Dude, you gotta show off these beautiful brakes. Come on. Look at these. You can get the drilled and slotted rotors.
Right.
The M brakes, dude. Gotta love it.
You have to have it. You know, when you have a power, you have to have a nice brake too.
You're right.
You know,
You're right. Exactly. And you
the
gotta
power
show
a
off
little
that brakes.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. We got Master Jose here balancing the wheel, and check that out. That looks beautiful. Wait for the beat to pop.
Wheel number 1, tire mounted, ready to go. Let's throw it onto the car. Woo! Derrick, you excited for this?
Man, I can see you in that road.
Yup, these things are gonna look so good in the rollers. Oh my gosh, I'm excited.
That's fire.
Hopefully it doesn't get too dark.
Okay, and there we are. Wheel number 1 is mounted onto the X5.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And I just love how you can see the brake a lot better through this wheel. Derrick, what do you think, bro?
I love it, man. I love it. Near a little tire shine, so it look.
Exactly. Once we put some tire shine on this thing is gonna look mint. Okay, so what this machine pretty much does is it spins the wheel, then it applies that little piece of metal, giving force onto the tire so it simulates as if this wheel is driving on the road. And then the machine is gonna calculate exactly where it needs weight. So as you can see right over here, the machine says we need 1.75 ounces. He's gonna peel off the sticky back. He's gonna stick it onto the wheel right there. The laser pretty much tells him exactly where it's supposed to go. Okay, so now we are spinning it one more time. The computer is gonna check, and bam, there we are. We are okay. This wheel is good to be mounted. It is perfectly balanced. So let's throw it onto the BMW. Center cap goes in, the most important parts. And we're gonna throw it onto the other side. All right, the front is good, so now let's get to the rears.
20 minutes later.
And there we are, guys. The last wheel is finally on. Bam, car is back down. And we got a little bit of light. So, Derrick, let's go get some rollers, bro. This thing is looking so clean.
Yeah.
The last thing we're gonna do is torque the wheels to spec just to make sure that the wheels don't fly off in the middle of the freeway.
Don't jinx it.
And then we'll be good to hit the road. Okay, it is finally done, guys. I am seriously speechless. Dude, what do you think?
It's perfect for me, I ain't gonna lie. The before is good too, the Azad before, but this is like the 22s right now. Now I can just like hit the road like perfect.
I can't even lie, if I had to build an X5, it might look like, just like this. I think the color combination is perfect. Big thank you to Azad for hooking us up with these wheels because, I mean, it speaks for itself, guys. And if you are looking to upgrade with new wheels, tires, or suspension, you know exactly where to come, guys. AudioCityUSA here in Santa Fe Springs, we will hook you up. And if you have a cool build like this, then we might even put you in one of our Wheelworks videos. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned, guys. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for.